Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Dochub to complete a worksheet. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to dochub.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all of Dochub's document editing features. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on Dochub's main dashboard screen. This is your central hub for managing and editing all your documents. To begin completing your worksheet, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a button labeled New Document. Click on it to start the process. A prompt will appear asking you to add the file you want to work with. Click on Select File, and this will open a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, navigate through your folders to locate the worksheet you need to complete. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click Open to proceed. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the upload process finishes. Depending on your file size and internet connection, this should only take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, look for the Create Document button located at the bottom part of the window and click it. This action will take you directly to the document editor page, where the real work begins. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice all the editing tools Dochub provides. These tools allow you to fill in text fields, add signatures, insert checkboxes, highlight sections, and much more. Take your time using these features to complete your worksheet thoroughly. You can type in answers, draw diagrams if needed, or add any other required information using the available tools. This comprehensive editing suite makes it easy to transform a blank worksheet into a fully completed assignment. Once you've finished filling out your worksheet and you're satisfied with your work, it's time to save and export your document. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the hamburger icon, which appears as 3 horizontal bars. This will open a context menu with several options. From the list that appears, select Download and Export. A new window will pop up, presenting you with various methods for downloading your completed worksheet. From these options, click on Computer to save a local copy directly to your device. This creates a file you can easily submit as your completed worksheet, whether that's uploading it to a learning management system, emailing it to your instructor, or storing it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully used Dochub to complete your worksheet and saved it to your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.